Login loop error on Deserve fix. Login loop error on Deserve fix. If you've been trying to access your Deserve account but keep getting redirected back to the login page, you're not the only one. The Deserve login loop is a common issue, and most people think it's a server-side problem, but it's actually caused by cached login data or outdated tokens on your device. Let's go over how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Fully close the Deserve app. Don't just minimize it. On iPhone, swipe it away in the app switcher. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Deserve, and tap Force Stop. Next, clear your cache and stored data. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Deserve, then tap Storage and Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets the data automatically. If you're using a browser to log in, clear cookies and cache for Deserve's website. Old session cookies are the #1 cause of login loops. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network restrictions. Some Wi-Fi networks, especially public or work ones, block secure cookies used for authentication. Make sure your Deserve app is up to date. Open your App Store and install any pending updates. Outdated versions may not communicate correctly with the login servers, leading to the loop. Finally, disable autofill and manually enter your credentials once. Autofill can insert old tokens or invisible characters that confuse the system. After these steps, restart your phone and open the app again. The login should now work normally, and you'll be able to check your card balance, payments and rewards without interruption. So, the next time you face the Deserve login loop, remember it's not your password or your account. It's just your device hanging on to old login data. Clear it, refresh it, and you're good to go.